Why do plants need tiny helpers to eat? Well, plants have roots that suck up water and nutrients from the soil. But sometimes, the soil is like a locked treasure chest. Bacteria are the tiny keys. They help unlock the nutrients so plants can eat them up. It's like having a secret friend who knows how to open your favorite snack jar. And here's the twist. These bacteria get a treat too. They munch on the sugars plants make. So, it's a yummy friendship. Next time you see a plant, remember it's got tiny buddies helping it grow.